Here's a video on removing the front drive shaft from the Mercedes ML500 ML320 W163 chassis. You have to take out this transmission member. So here we can see the transmission member that I removed from the car, truck, SUV, whatever this thing is. I have this thing entirely unbolted, finally, but I can't get it out. Which, as they say in Boston, is a wicked pissa, because there's a bracket in here which is holding me up. So, to get down to the dirty details here, that's where the transmission bracket was, and I took that bracket off, which made the transmission dip down. You can see that U-joints probably hold the whole thing up. I didn't jack it up because I just didn't want to have a jack in here messing around. I was able to get these bolts off with a basic 13 or 16 millimeter box wrench with a rounded socket type. I guess it's a 12 point. So these bolts came out once I removed this cross member. You can access these bolts easily. These bolts also were coming out easily with a 6 millimeter hex. I did have to put the truck in neutral. You can see the wheels are off the ground. I did put the truck in neutral, rotate the shaft to get to the bolts, put it back in park. Did that a few times. So I have the shaft loose now, but I can't get it out because there's one remaining bracket which goes to the exhaust system, which we just can't get the shaft out until this bracket is off. So that's where I'm at now, removing these rusty bolts, and when the last bolt is out, the shaft will drop. I did pound this one with a hammer and it came right off on that side, on the hex bolt side. On this side, it did not come off easily, and what I did was I pounded it with a screwdriver as a chisel under the lip to get it off. And I also have a pretty wicked chisel here, which I pounded it with, and it finally came off. I probably did some minor damage to the mating surface, but it came off. So that end is bad to work with. And if I look at my cardigan joint here, I did notice there was some play in it when I was fooling with it. A little bit of play anyway, not much, but this thing simply squeaks, so that's why I wanted it out of here. Anyway, a lot of trouble for this front drive shaft. One more bolt to go. I hope I don't snap this bolt off, but that evil bolt right there is the only one left, and then this thing will drop out. Thanks for watching, have a good day.